pull up. Brian. Oh, with the move. Solid Bob Knight defense by Ice there. Oh! Another pull up. Good! We got a 2-0 game here. Another strong drive. Nice pump fake. That's unstoppable. Still down 2-1 though.
You actually gave it to me after when you...
And the little guy makes it again.
He's below it.
Tina with the nice drive.
Oh, yeah, we start with the ball.
Same.
Here, record this.
Woo! Air ball. And folks, this video is over.